Did you know? There's a place on Earth where it almost never rains. Another where lightning strikes hundreds of times every year. And a mountain that's actually taller than Mount Everest if you measure it from its base. Our planet is full of incredible places and natural phenomena that seem impossible. Today, you'll discover 12 Earth facts that sound fake, but are completely true. Let's begin. Fact 1. The hottest place on Earth isn't the Sahara. Did you know? Most people believe the Sahara Desert is the hottest place on Earth. And honestly, it makes sense. The Sahara stretches across North Africa, covering more than 3.6 million square miles, making it one of the largest hot deserts in the world. During the day, the air temperature can climb well above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 49 degrees Celsius, and the sand becomes so hot that walking barefoot is almost impossible. But here's the surprising part. The hottest place ever recorded on Earth's surface isn't the Sahara at all. That title belongs to Iran's Lut Desert, also known as Dashti Lut. Using NASA satellites, scientists measured the temperature of the ground, not just the air, and discovered that the desert surface reached an astonishing 159 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 77 degrees Celsius. To put that into perspective, that's hot enough to fry an egg on some surfaces, damage tires, and make survival extremely difficult without protection. So why does the Lut Desert get even hotter than the Sahara? The answer lies in its dark volcanic rocks and dry soil. Unlike lighter-colored sand, these rocks absorb enormous amounts of sunlight instead of reflecting it. With almost no vegetation or moisture to cool the ground, the heat continues to build throughout the day. The result is one of the harshest environments on the entire planet. Even many microorganisms struggle to survive in some parts of the desert because of the extreme temperatures. It just goes to show, the hottest place on Earth isn't always the one most people expect. Fact 2. Earth has a supervolcano. Beneath Yellowstone National Park lies one of the world's largest volcanic systems. Unlike a typical volcano with a single cone, a supervolcano has an enormous underground magma chamber. Its eruptions are incredibly rare, occurring over hundreds of thousands of years. Scientists constantly monitor Yellowstone using satellites, GPS, and earthquake sensors. While it's closely watched, experts do not believe a major eruption is imminent. Fact 3. Lightning strikes this lake almost every night. Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela is famous for the Catatumbo lightning phenomenon. Warm, moist air from the Caribbean collides with cooler mountain air, creating ideal conditions for thunderstorms. As a result, lightning can flash for hours during many nights of the year. This spectacular display has become one of the most reliable natural lightning events on Earth. Fact 4. Mount Everest isn't Earth's tallest mountain. When measured above sea level, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain. But if measured from its base on the ocean floor, Mauna Kea in Hawaii is actually taller. Most of Mauna Kea is hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean. From its underwater base to its summit, it rises over 10 kilometers, making it taller than Everest by that measurement. Fact 5. Antarctica is the world's largest desert. Many people picture deserts as hot and sandy. In reality, a desert is defined by how little precipitation it receives. Antarctica gets very little snowfall in many regions each year. Its interior is extremely dry, making it the largest desert on Earth, even though it's covered in ice. Fact 6. There is a waterfall under the ocean. Near Greenland, cold, dense seawater sinks beneath warmer water. This creates enormous underwater currents that behave like waterfalls. Some underwater waterfalls are much larger than Niagara Falls. Although invisible from the surface, they play an important role in moving nutrients and regulating Earth's climate. Fact 7. It can rain fish. Believe it or not, there are reports from several places around the world where fish have fallen from the sky. Scientists believe water sports, powerful rotating columns of air over water, can lift small fish into the air and carry them before dropping them overnight. Although rare, this strange weather event has been documented multiple times. Fact 8. Some trees can live for thousands of years. Certain bristlecone pine trees in the western United States are among the oldest living organisms on Earth. Some are estimated to be nearly 5,000 years old. These ancient trees were already growing long before the pyramids were built. Their slow growth and harsh mountain environment helped them survive for thousands of years. Fact 9. Earth's continents are still moving. The ground beneath your feet may seem perfectly still, but Earth's tectonic plates are constantly moving. Most continents drift only a few centimeters each year, about as fast as your fingernails grow. Over millions of years, this slow movement creates mountains, causes earthquakes, and changes the shape of the planet. Fact 10. Diamonds can fall from the sky. Scientists believe that the enormous pressure inside the atmospheres of planets like Neptune and Uranus may create diamonds. These diamonds could slowly fall like rain deep inside the planets. Although this doesn't happen on Earth, laboratory experiments suggest the process is scientifically possible. It's one of the strangest ideas in planetary science. Fact 11. Earth's oceans hide more mountains than land. Most people think of mountains as places like the Alps or Himalayas. But the longest mountain range on Earth lies beneath the oceans. The mid-ocean ridge stretches for over 65,000 kilometers, making it the longest mountain chain on the planet. Most of it remains hidden beneath the sea. Fact 12. Earth is traveling through space faster than you think. Even while you're sitting still, Earth is moving incredibly fast. It rotates at up to 1,670 kilometers per hour, which is 1,037 miles per hour at the equator. At the same time, it orbits the sun at about 107,000 kilometers per hour, which is 67,000 miles per hour. And our entire solar system is moving through the Milky Way even faster. You're traveling through space every second. You just don't feel it because everything around you is moving at the same speed. Earth may seem familiar because we live here every day. But the more scientists discover, the stranger our planet becomes. From underwater waterfalls to deserts made of ice, our world is filled with incredible surprises. Which Earth fact amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Tina Fact for more fascinating Did You Know videos. Until next time, stay curious.